Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Airzone Aidoo Wi-Fi for your heat pump HVAC system. In our case, we have a Mitsubishi, and so if you have just this, you can plug it directly into the port on the board. So because we have a Mitsubishi and we have an MHK2 thermostat, we need a splitter for the CN105 port. And so basically, I'm going to show you how to do that. But for you, it may not be as complicated if you just have the Aidoo Wi-Fi and a hardwired thermostat. First thing you want to do is go ahead and flip your breaker to turn the power off to the air handler. And then here's the diagram for the Mitsubishi system. So I'll show you in real time here. So basically the splitter is in the middle here. The middle port for the CN105 is where you want to put in the Aidoo Wi-Fi. So go ahead and plug that in. And then on the right side of the splitter is your Redlink adapter for the MHK2 for communication from the air handler to the thermostat. Plug that in, then take your CN105 cable here, plug that into the left side, and this is the plug that's going to go into the board on the air handler so everything can talk to each other. Once we've done that, then we need to hop in the attic and go ahead and take off the cover to your air handler. So our Mitsubishi system just happens to be 2 screws. Take those 2 screws off and you can remove the cover. Once we've done that, then on your board, find the CN105 port or whatever the number is for your heat pump system. So ours happens to be in the bottom right here. And as you can see, it says CN105 right under the port. So once you find that, then go ahead and for me, I just put all the devices right on top of the air handler, as you see here. They do come with mounting hardware if you want to mount it, but I'm just not going to bother with that. So I just left everything here and then go ahead and feed the CN105 cable through that little hole. That way it just looks nicer. And then route it to the CN105 port on the board. So go ahead and plug that in. Once we've done that, then you can turn on power to your air handler. So flip the breaker back on. And you'll notice on the Aidoo Wi-Fi, you'll see that the Wi-Fi light blinks green and then it turns blue when it's good. That chip is going to blink green and then the plug is going to be red. So once you see all of that, it should be good to go. And then the splitter just makes all these different colors and that's normal. So once you see all that, then you're ready to basically get into the app and set everything up. So go ahead and put your cover back on, screw the screws back in, and then download the Airzone Cloud app. Sign up like you would sign up on anything else, and this is the first screen after you'll see. Search units, so you can find it on Bluetooth. So on the front of the Aidoo Wi-Fi, it does have a Bluetooth name, so note that in case you need to manually link it, which it says in the app, but I didn't need to do that because it came up. So click that, and then click Next. And then we want to search for Wi-Fi to get this unit onto Wi-Fi. So hit that. Make sure you have a 2.4 only gigahertz network. So that's ours. Hit it, put in your password, and then let it connect. So hit accept. This part took about 30 seconds, so be patient here while it does its thing and connects to Wi-Fi. Then it says it's successful, so you're good. Hit next once you're connected to Wi-Fi. And then you want to do add new site. So go ahead and name it whatever you want, if it's your home like us, or it's a mini split in a room, whatever you want. Location, you put in your city. And then icon, you can pick whatever icon you want. And then pick whatever color you want for the background. So I just did the standard gray. Then you want to hit save, and then you should be good to go. So once this loads, click accept, and then you're in, and you can hit the big gray button now to see everything. You control whatever you want, heating, cooling, you can put set schedules, all that stuff. So now you're in, you can control the your HVAC system from the app. And for us, since we have the MHK2, we can also still control it from the wall, the physical thermostat, and we're good to go. So if you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.